Hello my YouTube friends, welcome to my mint patch. I specifically planted all my mint separately from my herb garden because most varieties of mints, and there are 1,000 of them or more, are very invasive. I don't have even 100 of varieties, but I have 8 of them, and I'm going to show and discuss the differences between my varieties of mints. It is fascinating to experience the subtle differences in the appearances, scent and flavor of different kinds of mints. This is Mojito Mint. It was brought to North America from Cuba about 15 years ago. Up until 2005 or 6, this mint was rare and hard to get outside of Cuba. This mint, rather than spearmint, gives the authentic mojito taste. It has a much milder flavor with hints of citrus. Mojito mint has large leaves which make it great for muddling. Lemon melissa is a plant in the mint family and not strictly a mint. The leaves have a mild lemon scent, and this herb has traditionally been used to improve mood and cognitive functions. This herb is a good insect repellent as well. Peppermint is a hybrid mint, a cross between water mint and spearmint. The leaves of this variety are processed for the essential oil to produce flavoring for chewing gums and toothpaste. Citrus Kitchen Mint is another hybrid mint with delicious aroma and taste. These two mints, orange mint and variegated pineapple mints, are invading each other's territories. Orange mint is a hybrid known for its strong citrus flavor and aroma, and its oil is used for perfume industry. Pineapple mint used in beverages as an attractive garnish and in any dish that calls for mint. Very strong root system. And this is chocolate mint. Has a very complicated lineage. It's a cross of water mint, spearmint, orange mint, and others. This cultivar has distinct chocolate overtones, delicious aroma and taste. And this is a new addition. Ginger mint is a cross between spearmint and corn mint. It can be a delightful addition to summer beverages and fruit salads. And now I will collect some of the mints, or maybe all of them, to make my homemade summer lemonade. Well, I have all my elements to produce my homemade delicious lemonade. I collected all my mints, all varieties, and they smell so wonderfully. I have my sugar, citruses, old-fashioned juicer to juice out my fruit, and I will be using this to chop my mints. I will add water, sugar, mints, and then I will strain it and add juice out of this capacity. As you can see, this hand operated device is very effective to juice out my citruses, and I will continue because I have more left to juice out. This is how much juice I got from 2 limes, average size limes and average size tangerines. And if I need more, I will have more to juice out. I added water, mint, and sugar. And I specifically did not say how much sugar I added because you can choose what amount of sugar you would like to add. It's to your taste. Now, final steps. I already strained my mint and I used only half of what I had because I don't want my drink to be too intense, too minty. And it's a very interesting greenish, yellowish color. Now I will add my juices, and I also like to put inside my cup some wedges of lime or lemon and apple. I added my juice, orange and lime juice, and now it's time to try my drink. Let's pour into my glass. It's so refreshing, nothing that you can buy at the supermarkets. I hope you enjoyed this mint video. Thank you for watching, and I hope that you will try this recipe at home. And I will see you in my next videos.